More than 100 residents call this aged care facility home, and construction is underway to house another 30 people. But still, that won't cover the wait list.
Currently our waiting lists have 80 people waiting for residential aged care, so that would include our respite care.
So downstairs in level 1, we have 27 residents.
Recruiting skilled staff is tough at the best of times. They just aren't applying at the rates needed, and COVID has added an extra layer of complexity.
Rita, I just want to introduce you to she's one of our new staff members.
Just trying to retain staff has been difficult because of working conditions and pay rates and a pandemic, but attracting new staff extremely difficult.
These are issues felt across Australia and why fed-up workers walked off the job today. The strike impacted 5 major providers representing 120 facilities from Perth to Townsville.
Staff missing breaks.
Kerry is one of the union members on strike. She normally organises residents' activities, but lately has been drawn in to help with personal care.
At the moment, because of short staffing, cuts on budgets of all sorts of things, I'm being pulled off my normal job and being put on the floor. But that's still not making up for the short staffing. We're still down a staff or 2 most days. We're down staff up to 4 staff a day. We can have late hygiene, we can have late meals, staff missing breaks, staff wearing themselves out completely, and there's no support.
Workers on minimum wage are paid based on their skills and how long they've been in the job. But unions say these classifications are outdated.
I was very close to leaving not long ago, but I love my job. My job is for the residents, not the paycheck. Paycheck would be handy.
The Fair Work Commission is currently hearing evidence about whether to boost the minimum wage by 25%. A supervisor's wage would increase, for example, from $970 to more than $1,200 a week. Provider representative bodies want whoever is elected to government to be responsible for paying for the wage rise. Both the Liberals and Labor say that they'll support the independent tribunal's findings, but Labor says that it will fully fund it and will put that in writing to the Fair Work Commission. Workers at this facility are paid just above the minimum wage, but the CEO agrees that she'd like to be paying more.
We absolutely are underpaying our staff, not just Benevolent, I'm talking the whole industry.
Aren't you responsible for the wages? Can't you do something about that?
70% of our funding comes from the government and 30% comes from the consumer, and there's lots of rules around what we can charge a consumer. At the moment, 80% of our operational revenue is funding labour.
The Fair Work Commission case won't be determined until after voters go to the ballot box.